Just came to my property, parked my car and looking around. I see oats and lots of oats. The nice walking track. Look, there is some picnic area right here, and there is houses behind. Let's go see the property. I'm on the hill, then there is a valley, and I haven't ventured yet into the valley. Still walking around. It's the outhouse with 2-car garage. Some fallen trees, broken trunks. Maybe 40 degrees outside. I don't know what trees are these. We need to use the plant ID to identify them. I'm not good at it. Taking the first walk to figure out what area I need to clear for my gardening. But before that, trying to understand the surroundings. Looks like I got some firewood. Ooh. I'll go there. Literally on top of hill. I see the pink ribbon marking property line, and I see my neighbors from here. So it took 4 minutes walk from my hilltop home to the main road. All right, stay tuned.